This is the Lucky Tail dog nail grinder. Gonna do an unboxing video of it. Lucky Tail is one of the leading dog nail grinder companies with over 300,000 happy customers worldwide. I will not read it. I'm just gonna open it now.
Hazel badly.
Kind of excited because our dog
Don't do too much too.
has got nails that are so long now that when she walks, you can hear her walking. Clickety, 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 like a horse. So, firstly, this is a very nice looking box, I have to say. Just for the record. And I'm gonna open it now. And we're gonna have a look inside and see what is inside. I'm kind of excited, honestly. Okay, so this is like an Apple iPhone box.
Can I have the box after you?
Ooh, satisfying. You can have the box after. This is satisfying, look at that. Wow. Ah! Oh, wait, user manual. Some instructions, charging port. Oh, we have to charge it before we use it. Please read before using. Okay, so one in 10,000 may be defective. If it's defective, okay, that's good. These are the common cases. Faulty device, doesn't work on big dogs, missing parts, works too loud. Let's have a look. So normally with batteries these days, they normally charge, so maybe we can get it to work straight away. This is very nice touch. Ooh, very nice feeling. Oh, okay, it feels pretty solid. Yeah, pretty solid. Okay, I suspect I can take the lid off. Ooh, look at that. Diamond grinder. And then I presume that that's the on button. You can't really turn... Oh, it's already working. That is quiet, dudes. It's quiet. I think there's 2 speeds. Anyway. Shall we try... Hazel? Do you want to bring Hazel here? This is a cloth, I suspect, to clean things. Okay, and this is the charging cable here. So now... Okay, this is just a standard charging cable. Which I presume... Is it USB-C? Let's have a look. So, oh no, it's the normal USB, the micro USB port, which is fine. Okay, so now we've got our dog. This cable looks okay. Not the best quality, but who cares? We've got lots of these ones anyway.
Get her used to it first,
So,
Daddy.
yo, Hazel.
Should I put her on the bench?
Yeah, you can.
I can just hold her.
And it says before grinding. Okay, so it just says, work up to be able to touch. Take time to play with your paws for a few minutes at least once a day, okay? And then press and hold, nail grinding, switch speeds, grinding finished. Okay, there's not that much on the instructions. It just says basically there's 2 sizes. Let's play with the paw. Oh, look at your paw. Okay.
Let her sniff it.
Let her get familiar with the sound and stuff first.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh, this is going to be tough.
But,
No, no.
okay.
So we must do it when she's...
Tired.
Look at this. Touch that. Ooh.
She's getting restless.
Okay. Let's see whether we can get it.
Oh, remember, she doesn't like you moving it around.
Yeah, okay. Let's just put it here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Just
Oh,
keep
she doesn't like it
on.
already. Okay. So what we can say is so far, honestly, she doesn't really like it. But
Hello.
let's just put it
No
here.
dog will
Just
like
let
it.
her sniff it when it's off.
Just get used to this. This is your friend now. It's a lucky grinder. You are lucky to be near it. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Get lucky. So, well, there is a
Just
sound.
put it near her paw, Daddy.
Yeah, we just
to
put it
get
near her
used
paw.
to it.
She doesn't like the sound. Oh, what about we do it with music in the background? Do you think that would be distracting?
Maybe.
See? Look at that. I'm just playing. We're just playing with the lucky grinder. Playing. And then let's just see whether we can... Well... No, she can still tell. You can still tell, even though... What do we put on background? Oh, background
stop
music.
it now?
Okay. Well, that was the unboxing video of the Lucky Tail grinder. Unfortunately, the puppy was kind of a little bit scared of it. But we hope that she will get used to it, and we will do what the instructions say, which is to play with her and touch her paws and then use this as a toy and then see whether she can get used to it.